Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Ito ay astrology reading for you. Mars entering in the sign of Aries ngayong April 10 to May 18, 2026. So for you, Cancer, this is happening in your 10th house of your career. So maaring magiging mabilis ang takbo ng trabaho mo. Pwede rin may new beginnings sa'yo sa work or mas mag-focus ka ngayon sa trabaho. Maaring merong mga bagong responsibilities sa'yo. Even if may mga responsibilities, magagawan mo to ng paraan, kayang-kaya mong i-handle yan. I also see you na pwedeng mas makilala kung nasa field ka of entertainment or creatives. Lalo na kung mas magiging uh, porsigido ka or determinado ka. Kasi meron din tong positive aspect sa 8th house, which is about transformation. So things are going to change for you when it comes to your finances. Pwedeng yung trabaho mo magbabago or yung trabaho mo ngayon babaguhin yung buhay mo, yung career mo, dahil na rin sa pagpupursige mo. Pwede rin meron kang bagong role sa buhay because the 10th house is also your reputation and how people sees you. Yung legacy mo. Now, the 8th house is transformation and change. So, maaring may magbabago sa estado ng buhay mo. I also see creative work, creative skills na ide-develop mo na pwede mo siyang gawing trabaho or career ngayong month na to moving forward. Now, you have the Six of Wands. This is about success. Merong recognition. Pwedeng kayo ay mas makikilala ng community ninyo or sa trabaho ninyo because of your achievements. You have the Five of Pentacles, the Strength card. So, pwede magkaroon ng financial challenge, no? But even if may financial challenge, you will be able to overcome that. You have the strength that you need. I think may mga adjustments ka lang na gagawin. Magka-cut off ka ng mga bagay na hindi na nag-a-align sa goals mo to focus on your stability. So, for example, pagdating sa pera, mas magtitipid ka or yung mga iba mong hindi naman nakailangan, bebenta mo para mas makapag-generate ka ng income or for your savings. Yes, with the Queen of Pentacles, you're also focusing on your finances to have a stable job and stable career. Kasi yun naman talaga technically by default ang source of income natin, yung ating career, yung trabaho natin. So, yun yung bibigyan mo ng attention. Some of you naman pwedeng may investment dito on the side na magdadagdag ng extra income for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.